Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Honex Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece Sleep Guard. So, you might be wondering, what is the Honex Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece that may be hearing or seeing online? So, the Quiet Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece is a reusable mouthpiece designed to reduce snoring while you sleep. Now, according to the official website here, it works by gently moving the lower jaw forward, which the company says helps keep the airway open and reduce the vibration that creates snoring. Now, it is designed to be worn without boiling, molding, or specialist fitting. Now, the mouthpiece uses what we call living hinge technology, which basically allows the jaw to open and close naturally while wearing it. Now, Onyx here also says it has an ultra thin design, an open mouth breathing channel, and a soft cushioning. It is made from BPA and latex-free medical grade material and is manufactured in the UK. Now, how to exactly use this one? Now, according to the website, using it is quite straightforward. So, basically, the website describes Onyx as ready to use directly out of the case. So, there's no hot water molding or boiling here or preparation. You just need to place the mouthpiece over your teeth before going to sleep and allow it to gently position the lower jaw forward. Now, the manufacturer says it can be worn whether your mouth is open or closed and allows natural jaw movement during sleep. Now, after use, the mouthpiece can be cleaned and reused. The website currently lists it at around $39.95, reduced from the original $79.90 as of this moment. But then again, pricing may change here, so you may want to check that out first. They also include, or that it also includes, or orders includes free worldwide shipping and a 6-day money back guarantee. Now, the product page currently shows that this product is currently not available in certain platforms, but you can order it on their website. So yeah, so that's what the Onyx Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece that you may be hearing online. And also, since this product is intended to address snoring and airway-related sleep concerns, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professionals before use is recommended, particularly if you have an existing sleep or breathing condition. So that's really important. And also, doing your own research, checking reviews outside the website is also highly recommended, just to make sure that you are getting the best out of your money. But that's about it. So, friends, video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.